In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store in just about 5 minutes. For those of you who've been considering starting an online shop or are simply curious about the Shopify platform, this tutorial is perfectly timed and tailored for you. Starting off, the very first thing you need to do is head over to the Shopify website. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial as this is where your journey begins. Sporting an inviting interface, the site is your gateway to a thriving e-commerce presence. Once you land on the Shopify homepage, you'll find a login button waiting to be clicked. This step is significant because unlike the usual beginning with sign-up processes, Shopify streamlines the path by leading with a login interface, anticipating that many users will return to access their stores. If you're new, don't worry, the process to sign up is just as straightforward from this point. After selecting Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This stage is akin to setting the cornerstone of your online store. Your email address will serve as the primary channel for Shopify to communicate with you about your store's operations, updates, and invaluable insights. Following your email submission, the next step will require you to enter your password. E-commerce is as much about security as it is about sales and design. By creating a strong password, you'll ensure the safety of your online business and customer information right from the start. Now here's where it gets exciting. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the My Store Online Store section. This area is like the command center for managing your store. It's from here that you will begin the actual setup and customization of your online shop. Speaking of customization, click on the Customize option within the Online Store section. Shopify offers a world of aesthetically pleasing and functional themes that you can tailor to your brand's persona. Each theme serves as a template for how your store will be presented to visitors. So take your time to explore and select one that aligns with your vision. Upon settling on a theme, you'll be encouraged to add details to your store. This process involves filling in values or content in specific sections of your chosen theme, such as the home page, product pages, and more. The beauty here is that Shopify's interface guides you through the customization with intuitive options and actionable suggestions. Delving deeper into customization, you'll also have the opportunity to tweak theme settings. This can range from color schemes and fonts to layout preferences, allowing you to ensure the visual identity of your store resonates with your brand. These settings are accessible and adjustable at any time, granting you the flexibility to evolve your store's appearance as your brand grows. With the foundational theme set, it's time to add a splash of individuality. There's an option to add theme, where you can explore additional themes. This means if the initial theme doesn't quite hit the mark, or you simply crave variety, you have the liberty to change themes without losing the progress on your setup. At this juncture, your store is shaping up quite nicely, but it's missing one crucial aspect: products. Navigate to the products section, where you can begin adding the items or services you intend to sell. The process is straightforward, with fields for product names, descriptions, prices, and more. Imagery is also key here, so uploading high-quality photos of your products can significantly impact your store's appeal. Once you've filled in the product details, do not forget to click Save. This action secures all the information you've inputted, ensuring nothing gets lost. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on setting up your Shopify store. It's amazing how within just 5 minutes or a tad more, you're now on the path to e-commerce success. Remember, this is just the beginning. Shopify offers a plethora of tools and resources to expand, market, and manage your store efficiently. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of bringing your online store to life. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We hope it's been informative and empowering as you embark on your e-commerce adventure with Shopify.